Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the project. Take 19 centimeters of PVC pipe and 20 gear motor, dpdt switch, lithium battery and charging module, screwdriver set, cut it by cutting blade, make hole for charging module, make hole for N20 gear module, cut the screwdriver, pull out the head connector, take a refill and cut it and stick it. Please subscribe to my channel and share. Stick it properly. Connection of battery. Connection of dpdt switch. Stick masking. Take to avoid short circuit. Now stick the battery inside the pipe. Now solder to wire in the middle of the dpdt switch. Now screw with the screwdriver. Now stick the motor. Stick the motor properly. (40-ohm resistor). Green and white light. Connections of the light. Please follow my Instagram if given in description box. Overall look. Stick masking tape and color it by spray paint. Looks good. Now I'll pull out the masking tape. Testing time. Very much powerful. It's worked very well. Very much satisfied with this gadget. If any query is there to make this project, you can ask me on Instagram. I will definitely help you. Thanks for watching.